Hey everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel, and if you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In today's video, we're gonna learn 4 steps that you can do at a wedding. I'll be drilling each step for 1 minute, and then at the very end, we're gonna combine the 4 steps so you can do this fun pattern at a wedding or any fun social event. This video is mirrored, so when you watch this, you can follow along the screen as if it's a mirror. Copy me and let's have fun. And if at the end of this video you enjoyed what we did together, you can go ahead and get free resources in our description box below. All right, let's get started.
I like to speak freely. I like to speak freely. Because when I'm on the mic, I like to speak freely. I like to speak freely. When I'm on the mic, I like to speak freely. I like to speak freely.
Yeah, you did it! You learned 4 fun steps that you could do at any wedding or social gathering. And then again, with these moves, you don't have to do them in order. We just did that for fun so we can have something long to practice. And don't forget, just add a smile to your face and you'll bring the best energy to this event. So if you're someone who's struggling to learn hip hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year to learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply to work with us is in the description box below. Take care, hope you had fun, and see you next Tuesday.